Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid Adobe's cancellation fee. It's really simple and easy. So make sure you are logged into Adobe. Then go to the standard process for cancelling your subscription. Here you will have the option to change your plan. So select to change your plan. Make sure it confirms. Once you got the confirmation of your plan change and you are 100% sure it's taken effect, you can now use the cancellation process again with the new plan, and this will prevent you getting charged the cancellation fees because Adobe has a little option that waives early cancellation fees. So by switching to a new plan, then cancelling it, you are essentially using the little loophole that waives early cancellation fees. So depending when you watch this video, this may or may not work. They might have patched the loophole, but for now, it's still working. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to avoid Adobe's cancellation fee. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.